Hey everyone, this is Nathan.
Hey everyone, this is Zach.
And this is 10 things
To always have in your rifle bag.
First is a set of good high power binos. These are 15 power. I use them to find targets, watch wind, watch trace before the stage. It's important to know what's happening. I wouldn't leave home without them.
Next is some sort of ballistic calculator. I use a Kestrel, really good for pulling dope, environmentals, making really accurate wind calls.
Batteries for Kestrels, Raptors, whatever you got electronic. I got a nice little carrying case that I found on Amazon, so I just throw it in my bag, always have them.
A rangefinder to make sure matchbooks are correct, finding, ranging targets to make sure I'm on the right one and I'm getting right number to put in my Kestrel.
Basic tools, I've got fix-it sticks with torque limiters and bits for my rifle, and I've got a Leatherman, which is good for just about anything.
Armageddon Gear Medium, this is my security blanket. I never leave home without it. I have one in my car, I keep one in my backpack.
Bipod Leg Extensions, these work in my Atlas or my Skypod. They add a little bit of height. They're made out of carbon fiber and they're super light. I've always got them.
A rain jacket, this not only keeps me dry, but I use it as a rifle cover if I don't keep my rifle cover with me.
Got a packable cleaning rod. It is steel, so I try not to use it unless I have to, but it's saved me a couple times and squad mates a couple times, so it's easy to pack, small, always have it.
A bipod, I use an Arca style, so it's compatible across all my rifles I have from hunting to competition.
These are 10 things we always have in our rifle bag.
Let us know what you think down in the comments below. What's next?
I've got lithium AA's, lithium CR123s, Kestrels, Rangefinders. I need to plug my Raptor, okay?